Welcome to the top best. The best dent repair kit is probably one of the most convenient and cost-effective ways to fix those unsightly dents on your car. Dents can ruin the look of your car, but with the right kit, you can restore your car's appearance without spending a fortune at a body shop. Today, we're diving into the world of dent repair kits, exploring what makes a good one, and showing you how to get your car looking its best. Number 5. GLISTON 89 PCS Dent Repair Kit. This kit offers a complete paintless dent removal solution. It's environmentally friendly and won't damage your car's original paint. It can handle dents from various causes. The kit includes 89 pieces, featuring essential tools like a golden dent lifter and a slide hammer. It also includes a LED reflector board and a hot melt glue gun. This comprehensive set has everything you need. This portable kit allows you to remove dents quickly, often within half an hour. You can use it anytime, anywhere, avoiding costly trips to the repair shop. It saves both your money and your time. The kit comes with detailed instructions, making the dent removal process simple. It's suitable for both professionals and DIY users. Anyone can easily use it. We provide a 2-year quality guarantee. Our official support team is available 24 hours a day. You can return it to Amazon for a full refund if you encounter any quality issues. You don't have to worry about wasting your money. What we like. This kit is packed with 89 pieces, making it the most comprehensive option for any dent repair. It's designed to be easy to use, even for beginners, saving you both time and money compared to professional repairs. If you have a variety of dent types to tackle, this kit is your all-in-one solution. What people say. Great selection of glue tabs. I think a good tech could pull most glue pullable dents given this selection. The T-style pullers were great for the bigger dent. The hammers and taps that come with the kit are also super useful. Number 4. Super PDR Dent Puller Kit. Introducing the Super PDR Dent Puller Kit, your all-in-one solution for car dent removal. This kit provides everything you need to fix those unsightly dents quickly and easily. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's designed for you. This kit includes a bridge puller and various tools to tackle different dent sizes. It's engineered to remove 99% of dents in about 30 minutes. The ergonomic design makes it efficient and easy to use. The dent puller uses leverage for an ergonomic design. The arched bridge adjusts to fit dents perfectly. It comes with pull rods that make the glue stick more firmly. This paintless dent removal kit ensures your car's paint stays intact. The rubber bottoms prevent damage during the process. After removing the dent, you can easily clean up any remaining glue with alcohol. First, clean the dented area. Then, apply hot melt adhesive to the pull tab and attach it to the dent. Use the bridge puller to remove the dent, and finally, clean off the glue residue. Follow these steps to quickly repair car dents, door dents, hail damage, and other dents. Read the instructions carefully before use. The Super PDR team offers professional customer service 24/7. They provide lifetime quality service to assist you with any questions. What we like. The ergonomic design of this kit makes dent removal efficient and less strenuous. The paint-safe features ensure your car's original finish is protected, maintaining its value. If you are looking for a user-friendly kit that prioritizes the integrity of your car's paint, this is the one. What people say. Tried it on a few small dents and it actually worked better than I expected, solid for DIY use. The kit is easy to use, well worth the cost, effort, and time. I picked this product because it came with a large glue gun and black and clear glue sticks. Also it has a better price and the kit comes with different size options for the dents. So it can pull out the tiny dings in my car. Number 3. Geli PDR Kit, Dent Puller, Lifter, Bridge and Glue Gun. This comprehensive kit from Geli is designed for paintless dent repair. It includes everything you need to remove dents from your car, motorcycle, or even appliances. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution. The new dent lifter has adjustable height and width, and the glue tabs are thicker and larger. The unique arched bridge design prevents further damage. This upgrade makes the kit more effective and durable. This kit is ideal for removing dents from various surfaces, including car bodies, refrigerators, and washing machines. It comes with different sized tabs to fit different dents. However, it's not suitable for corners or creases. The Paintless Dent Repair Kit is easy to use, even for beginners. Most dent removals can be completed in about half an hour. It saves you money and time, and the tools can be used repeatedly. The kit includes a hot glue gun, glue sticks, a bridge dent puller, a golden dent lifter, and pry tools. The accessories are made of strong, durable materials and are meticulously inspected for quality. This ensures that it will last for a long time. What we like. With its adjustable design, this kit offers enhanced effectiveness and durability. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from cars to appliances, and is designed for easy operation. If you like a versatile and easy-to-use kit for various dent repair needs, consider this. What people say. The metal dent lifter is strong and what I used the most. I found that a 6-in metal ruler, held across the dent, does a nice job of showing where your low spot is. Overall, the repair I did with this kit on the car was perfect. Number 2. Eastwood PDR Kit, Paintless Dent Repair Tool. Introducing the Eastwood Paintless Dent Removal Kit. This kit allows you to quickly and easily remove dents and dings without expensive paintwork. It's perfect for hail damage and everyday mishaps. This high-quality dent removal tool kit is easy to use. The included tools make repairing car damage simple. The silicone glue gun is highly effective, and its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. Eastwood provides solutions with innovative products. The product is used and trusted by professionals and beginners alike. It also comes with lifetime tech support. The Eastwood Auto Body Paintless Dent Removal Tool Kit is a must-have. The 23-piece kit includes everything you need to get the job done. This new product line will get the job done in no time. The kit comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Get yours today and experience the Eastwood difference. What we like. This kit includes professional-grade components, ensuring effective dent removal. The tools are designed for ease of use, making the repair process simple. If you are looking for a kit backed by lifetime tech support and trusted by professionals, this is a great choice. What people say. Very good quality tools. It does work. It is not like professionals use, but close-kneed patients dents a lot smaller and smoother. Easy to use and worked perfectly without damage to my paint or panels. This Eastwood Auto Body Paintless Dent Removal Tool worked beyond my wildest expectations. Each attempt thereafter worked flawlessly without the glue detaching from the pull tab so easily, thus completely removing the ding damage. This device really works well. By the way, in absence of denatured alcohol to remove any hot glue residue from the work surface, isopropyl alcohol and a soft rag will also work to aid cleaning up any tenacious residue. Number 1. ZEUSFIRE Paintless Dent Repair Kit. This is the ZEUSFIRE Paintless Dent Repair Kit. It's designed to remove dents without damaging your car's paint. The kit utilizes the lever principle for effective dent removal. The kit uses strong adhesive to pull out dents. The hot melt glue is easily removed, leaving your paint intact. It's best for cars with their original paint. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit is simple to use. Most dents can be fixed in about 30 minutes. Instructions are included to guide you through the process. This kit includes a unique T-bar puller with 2 different puller lines for larger dents. It can also be used as a short T-bar puller with 50 glue tabs, providing versatility for various dent sizes. The bridge dent puller has an upgraded design with 2 usage methods. It works with both bridge dent puller tabs and standard glue tabs, making it suitable for various dents on different surfaces. You'll receive a double pull bridge dent puller, a 2-in-1 T-bar puller, a gold dent lifter, various sized dent pullers, a metal tap-down pen, and a rubber hammer. It also comes with 50 glue tabs and 4 puller lines. Remember to read the manual before use. What we like. This kit features a unique 2-in-1 T-bar puller, offering versatility for different dent sizes. It's designed to be easy to use, suitable for both beginners and professionals. If you like a kit with innovative features and a wide range of applications, you should consider it. What people say. The glue sticks provided are strong and held the puller tabs well. The slide hammer worked great. The different size puller tabs were very useful for different size dents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.